This is question 4. We're told a sequence u sub 1, u sub 2, u sub 3 and so on satisfies u sub n plus 1 is equal to 2u sub n minus 1 where n is equal to or greater than 1. Given that u sub 2 is equal to 9, in part A we're asked to find the value of u sub 3 and the value of u sub 4. The question carries 2 marks. When n is equal to 2, we will have u sub 3 will be equal to 2 lots of u sub 2 minus 1. I've simply subbed in n is equal to 2. So we can say u sub 3 will be 2 lots of 9 minus 1. So 2 lots of 9 minus 1, that gives us that u sub 3 will be 17. So that's u sub 3. When n is equal to 3, sub in missing, we will have u sub 4 will be equal to 2 lots of u sub 3 minus 1. So u sub 4 will be equal to 2 lots of 17 minus 1. So u sub 4 is going to give us 33. So 2 marks for part A. In part B, we're asked to evaluate the sum from r equals 1 to 4 of u sub r. The question carries 3 marks. We could write now that the sum from r equals 1 to 4 of u sub r will be equal to u sub 1 plus u sub 2 plus u sub 3 plus u sub 4. We have a value of u sub 2, a value of u sub 3 and a value of u sub 4. So all we need to do is find now u sub 1. So if we consider when n is equal to 1, we'll have u sub 2 is 2 lots of u sub 1 minus 1. Now we know u sub 2 is 9, so 9 will be equal to 2 u sub 1 minus 1. Adding 1 to both sides and dividing by 2, we can see now that u sub 1 will be equal to 5. So we can now say that this is going to be 5 plus 9 plus 17 plus 33. We can see now that this is going to sum to give 64, and we have 3 marks in total for part B.